Come with me to freeze dry a batch of raw eggs. So first, we will tap freeze drying, and we will be using the probe to check the temperature. And we're not going to hit frozen food because I'm going to freeze the eggs while they're in the machine. So we're going to start by pre-cooling the machine. Start. I'm going to go ahead now. That's the machine kicking on. I'm going to hit setting and add some extra drying time, just in case I don't catch it right when it's finished. Okay, now we're going to wait. We're going to lock the door, or shut the latch. We're going to close the exhaust, and we're going to close the drain. And that's it. Trays. StayFresh takes 4 pretty large, see the size of my hand head. They're pretty large trays. Very thick, heavy trays. Okay, back with the eggs. Okay, got our eggs in this pourable bowl. We're just going to, rather than tote the eggs down the stairs and across the house, we're just going to pull out one tray at a time, pour it in until they're all filled.
Yeah, because
stay right there.
Yeah, because if you do it at the same time, it will fall over the ground.
You're right. We don't want that, do we?
Yeah.
And that's very, very good.
Put it in gentle. Push it in gently, just like my mom did.
That's it. You got it, sis.
Yes. Now we put it in. Pour it. We pour it. We pour it. My mom is gonna pour it in. Second, first I was holding it. Second, first I was pouring it. You have to crack the eggs first. First you have to wash the eggs. Second, you have to crack the eggs. Third, you must dry the eggs.
Yeah.
And then you just pour it in your freeze dryer. We have a freeze dryer.
Got the freeze dryers loaded. The probe is in place to check temperature. And then drying will automatically kick on once the probe senses that the food item, so in this case the eggs, the raw scrambled eggs, are completely frozen. So we'll come back later, check on it. Time to unload. Pause the drying, turns off the pump, then exit because I know it's finished. I gave it extra time. Release slowly, a little pressure. Otherwise, it makes a vortex inside the machine. Okay, after that pressure is released, you can open the doors, remove the trays. You see that? Remove the tray, remove the probe. Wash that next. 3, 4. Then we will turn on defrost, which you don't have to do. You can let the ice melt on its own, but we will defrost it. So I can unplug the machine. Then we open the drainage valve, and we go process. Let's go. The final step's pretty straightforward. We scrape off the raw egg freeze-dried powder, place it into a Mylar bag, and add oxygen absorbers. Then it will, theoretically, should be good for 25 years. Very last step is to heat seal with a hair straightener.